I was looking at the music I listened to in a different way after reading what she wrote. And, I listen to music while I'm driving, definitely while I walk every day. And some pieces of music I listen to over and over and over again. Sometimes Peter gets sick of hearing certain songs because I listen to them over and over again. But they are, they get me through things, and they're the soundtrack of my life. And having done a lot of work with the music industry and the movie industry, I'm pretty aware of how music is used to convey different emotions. She goes through this as well. Or I'm aware that, there's a stereotype about music, that music in major keys is characterized as happy, and music in minor keys is characterized as sad. And I began to notice, okay, which things do I listen to over and over again that are in minor keys? And there's a lot. Yeah. So I love the blues. And one of my favorites in artists in the blues is B.B. King. And one of his most famous songs, "The Thrill Is Gone."
Yeah.
The thrill is gone, baby. The thrill is gone away. You done me wrong, baby, and you'll be sorry someday.